13, 14,
15,
16,
17, 18,
19, 20.
21. Yeah, 21, 21. All right, I got the belt back, man. I got the belt back. But you're a tough matchup, man. You know what's going on. So, um, yeah. So next time you play, um, I went first this time. So next time we play, now you'll go first, and then we'll go
Alright.
back and forth. Yeah, because I want to play with you enough now until you see. But there's two patterns you're gonna see. Now the first one is you'll just kind of start remembering which numbers you want to always end on.
Mm-hmm.
But then after you play a little bit more, you're gonna see the math underneath that pattern, and then you'll really know what's going on. Now you got to think about, we're counting to 21. That's one thing you got to think about. And then you got to think about the number of numbers we can say in one round. Like you can say at least two numbers.
Mm-hmm.
I can say at least two numbers. But you never want both of us to say two numbers in the same round.
Alright.
That's a little hint. Now you don't ever want four numbers to be said in one round. You never want to do it like that.
Alright.
Because if you do it like that, both of you will have had a chance to take control and then gave it away if you say four numbers
Mm-hmm.
in a round. Because it's like, I got to wait until you make a mistake, then I got to jump in and then make sure I don't make a mistake. But if we say four numbers in one round, then we both had it in our hands and let it slip away. That's the crazy thing about this, man. And see, an old man taught this to me a long time ago. And it seemed like the simplest thing in the world until he actually explained it to me. And when he explained it to me, I'm like, wow, it might be cool to know something about math because the game is cool. But then when he talked about it in a math kind of way, it's like, oh, that's kind of deep. Kind of deep. How your classes going?
It's kind of good, but like the sleeping thing, nah.
Well, now I'm going to tell you, your grades are fine, but you do need to go a little faster.
I just be sleeping too much.
I know. And the thing is now, see,
I'd rather go back to regular school. If you see when I was in regular school, I did way better.
well, I mean, we'll be back. Well, you're not going to be back until November. Like, we have to go back the first week of October
Hmm.
to get ready.
When I was
Like,
when I was in regular school, I was ahead of all my classes.
well, I mean,
Like
but I tell you
in
what,
math, I was ahead of all my classes.
all right. But even when you come back in November, we're only going to be in school for maybe 5 weeks. So that'll
Why?
get, well, see, once you hit the beginning of November, we're going to
Hmm.
miss a whole week at the end of November for Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yep. And then when we come back, we'll only be there for 3 weeks before we leave again for Christmas. So teachers,
Today,
teachers kind of know, man, that after you hit Halloween, it's all downhill. But now, since we are living in these crazy times, at least those 5 weeks in November will let us kind of get to know each other and get used to the routine, so that when
hmm
we come back in November, everybody will be, I mean, in January, everybody will be able to hit the ground running and keep going. So I get it. It is a little tricky working at home. You do have the convenience of not having anybody pushing you and messing with you about what you're doing. But then sometimes you miss that.
Nah, in maps, ain't nobody like push me. I just did it myself. It
All
was
right,
easy though.
all right, all right. But it'll be easy. Not like I say now. If your grades were out of whack, that'd be one thing. But I know your grades are fine. You just need to do a little bit more than your present pace. You want to try to hit one graded assignment every day. If you can hit a quiz every day, then you'll have a good idea of how you're doing because the quizzes are graded. The quizzes are graded, and then you'll be able to pace yourself to see you'll finish the class in like 12 weeks.
And I be trying.
All right.
I
But
just be when it hit 2:30, I'm out. I'm out.
yeah, I know. I know. See, I'm a morning guy now, so I just try to get up early and get as much done as I can before classes start, so that I can just chop it up and talk to y'all and keep you motivated that
I
way.
I be tired.
Oh, what you be doing, man?
I stay up.
No, I got you. I got you. That's fair, man. I gotta go to bed now. I gotta go to bed, so I'll be in the bed.
Nah, sometimes I go to sleep at like 10 o'clock, and then I be feeling it. I be like, oof, good morning.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and hop on school.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what then, let's sign off and then good to see you. And then I will see you again soon and just stay in touch if you need anything.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, man. Bye bye.